this instead of the high-res sphere because for our purposes, we just want to, create a flow. We don't want to, make something too perfect that eats up pixels. Okay, so let's say we want the cape to go over the shoulder, follow the cursor, go over the shoulder, and then go kind of like that. So we're just gonna wave dupe it. You're gonna guide it. Again, this is just the rough way to do the approach. I'm not saying this is a good cape. So check this out. You would group it. And then you would hollow it out, make use of your own contours. You would hollow it out. Maybe make it a little bit. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So let's stand this up. And then from here we go do something like this. And we would do this. And that approach more or less gives you what you want. Now, if you want sort of like a Batman cape, there used to be an artist called what was his name? He's my favorite Batman artist, Neil Adams, and he'd always do these really long Batman capes, flowing in the wind. See, so from here, that looks a little bit fat. Go to my template box here. Grab one of these. Oh man, wrong thing. Ridiculous, man. Any day now. There we go. So this is one thing you could do. You're smart. I know you figure out any number of ways to cut it. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that narrows it down some. They were watching. They were watching Cyborg. Val was watching this abandoned Colony Beach Mechanics Resort. Let's just cut this at the bottom. maybe we'll cut it with a curve. Yeah, it's probably better to cut it with a curve and then angle it. See, it's rendering so much. It's going to take forever to get the point across. Whatever. Probably see where this is going. Let me ungroup that. Let's render these at the same time. There we go. Alright. The other way to go about it is to just take your scribble tool, and I did this for my Thor cape and one of my Batman capes. Basically the same approach as taking the sphere and wave duping it. Yeah, I can't believe that still hasn't rendered. Rendered upside down. Okay. So then just basically the same idea. And again, this is only one way to do it. You angle it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that's finally kicked in. See, you get the basic idea. I know you'll make all the cuts necessary to get it looking better. I like that. That, in a nutshell, is how I would do that. There you go, more or less. Now, another thing you can do is make another kind of element. So let's look at this. So this is for like if you wanted to make a cape that was flowing in the wind. Ah, got off track there. Way off track. The idea is to wave dupe it out and make it grow kind of like that didn't. That's not exactly what I meant to do. So let me try that one more time. this time. So that way, and one on each side symmetrically. So you basically group that. Make a dupe. Hollowed out, angle it. And let's say you want to make a Batman type cape flowing out there in the wind. Let's see what we got here. See what I'm saying? So you have your character standing here, and then you have the cape flowing out like in the wind behind him, and then you would angle it. All right, hope that was helpful. Peace out, without a doubt. Till you next time. Good luck to you, Eveinsea. Show me what you come up with.